How's it going, everyone? Coins with Syrup here, and today we got a pretty big unboxing video. As you can see, we got a mystery box from the LPM Group Limited, and it's the summer luxury box, and we're gonna see what we got from it. So let me open it up. I was pretty surprised how fast I got this. I ordered it on December 19th. It shipped 3 days later, and I got it today on the 24th. So I was pretty surprised that it arrived that fast. Alright, let's see here. Alright, I can see a bunch of stuff on top already. Got a little card from them. There's all their information. Alright, let's see. Oh, sorry about that. Sorry about my camera. The one leg is pretty much gone. Alright, let's see. First thing we got is a Fraser's Dolphin 2021 $5 high relief silver proof coin. Let's open this up. Let me get my knife back out. It's from the Royal Australian Mint. Let's see. Okay. Looks like it comes in a nice case. Got the Australian government, Royal Australian Mint. And let's see. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's really nice. And it's got the queen on the back. You can see how thick it is, but it's also not very big. It's kind of small for a 1 ounce, but like I said, it's pretty thick. Our COA says we have number 319. And only 1,000 of these were minted. So we got a pretty low number, so that's pretty cool. Alright, let's see what we got next. And this video is probably going to be pretty long, so I apologize for that. Alright, we got a bunch of bubble wrap. Wow, we actually got quite a bit of stuff in here. Wasn't expecting this much stuff. We'll open the envelope last. Got something. Oh, nice. Got a 2021 Pez dispenser with the silver Pez. Limited edition 4,000 sunglass emoji. Let's see. There we go. 5 grams of silver. So they're a gram each, the Pez ingots. That's pretty cool. I've seen these online before. Just never thought of buying one. But that's pretty cool. Alright, let's see what we got next. Got a Chinese Myths and Legends 2-ounce silver high relief Phoenix coin. This should be pretty cool. Let's see. Oh, this is by the Perth Mint, by the way, in Australia. Sorry about my camera not wanting to focus sometimes. Alright, it's in a pretty cool box, magnetic top. I've noticed the Perth Mint likes to do that with a lot of their stuff, and I like it. So let's see. So there's a maximum mintage of 1,000. Ours is number 723. And let's see the coin. Oh yeah, just as I expected. This is a really nice design. Let's try to get the light over here. Here we go. Look at that. That's very nice. Queen on the back. Four nine's fine. You can see how thick this coin is. It's 2 ounces, like I said. But man, that design, that is awesome. Really like that. That's probably our favorite so far. Alright, let's see what we got next. Looks like we got something from the Royal, is that the, yeah, the Royal Canadian Mint. Looks, Year of the Rooster, 2017, $15 fine silver coin. This looks like a pretty fancy case here. Alright. So there's, I'm guessing there's 10,888 of these, and we have number 1,550. Let's see. Yep, that's pretty cool. It's got like a copper finish to it or something. That's pretty cool though. Oops. Alright, looks like we got a couple more things in here. Alright, we got a Shrek coin, 2021 donkey, 1 ounce silver shaped coin. So let's see. Slides out of it like that. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's literally in the shape of, whoops, in the shape of Donkey from Shrek. And this is actually a coin. It says $2 on the back of it. This is by Nui. These usually have a really good premium on them. Even though this is only an ounce, it's probably, they're probably selling them for like $50 or $60, maybe more than that. Let's see, we got coin number 769. And they made 1,000. So that's pretty good. Very cool. Here's the back of it. Let's see. Got the COVID-19 little token that Silver Seeker got in his video. So that's pretty cool. That one's not silver. And last we got the envelope here. Let me cut it open real quick. What is this? Okay, so we got a very cool high relief coin. I like the ship. That's really cool. It's silver. It's a 1 ounce. I only minted 1,000 of these. And I don't think, yeah, this one isn't actually numbered on the COA like the other ones were. Rwanda. That's cool. But look how high relief that is. I mean, that's crazy. That's really cool though. Oops. They got the compass on it. And looks like a telescope and some other things inside some rope at the very top. Wow, that's really nice. I think this might be my favorite piece out of all of them now. Well, anyways, guys, that's everything in there. I appreciate it if you watched the whole video. Go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. And I will talk to you on the next video.